Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use task prioritization in Zoho Project. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, you'll need to sign into your Zoho Project account. This is the platform where we'll be organizing and prioritizing tasks to streamline your project management. It's important that you're signed in so you can access and manage your tasks. Once you're in, navigate to the Tasks and Milestones section. Here's where all the magic happens. This is the hub of your project. It's where you create, assign, and most importantly, prioritize your tasks. Now that we're here, let's create a task. You can do this by clicking on the Add Task button. The reason we do this is to populate your project with tasks that need to be done. After creating your task, it's time to prioritize. You'll notice a priority drop-down menu when you're setting up your task. This helps us because it provides a way to rank your tasks according to their importance. You can choose from 4 options: critical, high, medium, and low. Select the one that best fits the urgency and importance of the task. Next up, if you need to adjust the priority of a task, perhaps because of a change in project scope or deadlines, you can easily do so by clicking on the task and then changing the priority level in the same drop-down menu. It's essential to keep your tasks updated to reflect the current needs and goals of your project. Finally, remember to save your changes. This step is crucial to ensure that all your task prioritizations are stored and implemented in your project plan. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use task prioritization in Zoho Project. This is a fantastic tool to help manage your tasks effectively and keep your projects on track. Remember, prioritizing tasks is key to efficient project management. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy prioritizing.